And then you have to toss it quickly. This is 1.5 kilos of pasta.
Pag hindi siya yung nagsasabi. Oo, tama na. I'll put it down.
Okay, and then you will have to season it with a little more salt.
But you did not rinse the pasta.
No, we did not. Do not rinse the pasta kasi pag ni-rinse niyo yung pasta, hindi na didikit yung sauce. Yeah. So there. Oops.
Home style.
Okay. Oops. Medyo mabigat siya. There. If you want it creamy, you just add more. Yes. Okay, if you're a first timer, kung first timer ka, don't use whipping cream, use the culinary cream. Here. This is stable in cooking. It doesn't curdle.
Is it like
So-
the same as all-purpose cream?
No, it's not. Because this is real cream. All-purpose cream is not cream.
It's vegetable oil.
Yes.
But let's say, can you replace it, let's say, just regular
That's
milk?
why,
You can also use milk instead of cream. Pero, hindi siya ganun ka-creamy. Medyo matubig.
Kasi mostly white sauce gawa ko is milk lang with the flour.
yes,
Parang
Oh
bechamel.
yeah, bechamel white sauce.
Yes.
excuse me.
Si culinary, ready for cooking. Si
Wala na tong heat ha. There's no heat. So, the heat in the pasta is cooking the egg.
Sana always available usually po sa mga big supermarkets lang.
kasi one
Okay, so we're done with this. Later, before we eat, we will